Welcome to our channel. So there is one more opportunity from West Bengal State Electricity Transmission Company for West Bengal candidate only. So if you have domicile of West Bengal, then only you are eligible for this. Okay. Position is assistant engineer, that is AE. Salary approximately 12 lakh CTC. Okay, per annum. And total vacancies are 51. If you complete your BE Tech in AAA, that is electrical electronics, then electrical, computer science, information technology, civil and power engineering, then you are eligible. Along with that, if you have BSc in engineering, then also you are eligible. Now we will see detailed information quickly. So let's start the video. First important point, there is no percentage criteria. You should have your BE Tech and BSc engineering in your hand only. That's it. Okay. Then process will be CBT plus PI, and just remember that both of the marks will be considered for your final selection. Okay. So PI have 25 marks, like that. Then posting you will get in West Bengal only. Exam center also is within West Bengal only. Then the most important thing, that for final candidate, if you will get degree before interview, and interview you can expect somewhere around July August month, then you are eligible for this. Otherwise don't fill the form. Okay, they will reject you after your at the time of interview. Okay. Next point, very much important, that is bond. So yes, there is a bond of 4 years. So minimum for 4 years you need to serve WB SCTL. Okay, and if you want to leave within 4 years or before 4 years, then you need to pay 1.5 lakh rupees, which is the bond amount. Okay, just remember this. Probation period is there after selection, 1 year. Then the candidate, you should have knowledge of Bengali and Nepali. You should able to read, okay, write and speak the both of this language or either one, right? And BE Tech after diploma are not eligible because they want only 4 years of degree. Okay, not 3 years. So BE Tech after diploma not eligible. Sandwich also not eligible, and any part time, any distance education not eligible. Okay. Then fees will be 400 rupees for General OBC EWS, for SST 0 rupees, for women also there is fee of 400 rupees. Okay, for not for this recruitment. Age limit cutoff date is 1st of January 2023. Age is 22 for General EWS, OBC 35, SSC 38, and for PWD relaxation is there. Now we will see vacancy wise breakdown. So first you can see vacancy for assistant engineer electrical, which is SI number 2. Okay, total 25 vacancies are there. And breakdown you can see for open category 7. Then UREC means exempted category. Okay, below they've written that which people will come in exempted category. You can see your name, okay, on some website of West Bengal. You can read that after that. Then here you can see one vacancy reserved for UR PWD LV, okay, URMS. Then for OBC, one vacancy, OBC AEC 0, OBC B 2, OBC BEC, again one vacancy. For SC 4 vacancies, SC exempted category 1, SC ex serviceman 1, SC PWD 1. Okay, ST also 1 and ST exempted category 1. For computer science, total 6 vacancies are there. In open, total 2 vacancies. Exempted category 1 vacancy. Okay, UR PWD, and 1 vacancy is for OBC exempted category and SC 1. Okay, and for civil engineers, total 20 vacancies are there for you. 5 open exempted 4. Then UR PWD. Okay, here you can see 1. Then OBC 2, OBC exempted 2, OBC B 1, OBC BEC 0. Okay, SC 3 and your ST 1. So like this we have vacancy wise breakdown. Form already started on 26th of April 2023. So in the comment section I will put your link. Okay, just click on that and you can fill your form. If you will get any doubt and query while filling the form, then ask below in this video. I will definitely resolve that, and then after that fill the form properly. Okay, because it is very important. That's why. Form last date is 19th of May, and about exam definitely I will tell you whenever update is there. Now few more details about your process. So after CBT they will call for interview in the ratio of 1:3. Means for one seat they will call total 3 candidates. You can see your exam pattern. Okay, basically this is our exam pattern. First technical part is there as per your branch, electrical, then computer science and civil. Okay, total 60 questions you will get for 60 marks, and here it is kind of sectional cutoff that out of 60 minimum 24 are compulsory. Okay, obviously it does not bother because our target is to get merit list. Okay, and 24 is very basic marks. Definitely you will get that. No need to worry in that. Aptitude 20 question, English 10 question, and Bengali and Nepali 10 question you will get. So total 100 questions you will get. And here also 4 marks in Bengali and Nepali test are compulsory out of 10. Okay, these are the sectional cutoff we can say. Total minutes 90. So in 90 minutes you have to attempt 100 questions, and okay, and there is best part, no negative marking. So this 100 and our interview 25. So total 125 marks they will consider for your final merit list. If you have any query, any doubt regarding this recruitment, then you can comment down below. Okay, soon I will release the preparation strategy video to guide you guys that how you can prepare and get selection in this recruitment. This is channel which is providing consistent selection in PSU and government jobs. So it's very important for you to subscribe to the channel, and also do not forget to join our Telegram channel for preparation and guidance. All the best.